Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Watch Ultra straps. The Apple Watch Ultra comes with 3 unique strap options, each engineered for different adventures. We'll explore the Trail Loop, Ocean Band, and Alpine Loop, detailing their features and how to properly secure them to your watch. Understanding each strap ensures optimal comfort and performance for your activities. The Trail Loop is incredibly lightweight and flexible, perfect for long runs or hikes. Its soft, woven textile feels comfortable against your skin. To adjust, simply pull the tab to tighten or loosen the fit, even while moving. This design ensures a snug yet breathable feel, making it excellent for extended wear during any activity. For water sports enthusiasts, the Ocean Band is an excellent choice. Crafted from a durable fluoroelastomer, it stretches to fit over a wetsuit. The unique tubular design and titanium buckle provide a very secure fit, preventing movement during high-speed water activities. It's designed to withstand extreme conditions, offering peace of mind in the ocean. The Alpine Loop is built for rugged outdoor adventures. Its 2-layer woven design uses high-strength yarns, making it incredibly durable. The innovative titanium G-hook slides easily into any of the reinforced loops, providing a secure and precise fit. This strap is designed to withstand challenging environments, ensuring your watch stays firmly in place during climbing or exploring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.